remember this is the auricle, because you have the maybe another block you have in details the ear. Okay? So at that time, inshallah, you will know about all the depression, everything. Now just auricle. Here two things marked: tragus, antitragus. Tragus, antitragus. Okay. Now you see here, this is the external auditory canal. External auditory canal. Okay. So see, external auditory canal. And external auditory canal, you see here its lateral boundary. It's limited by the membrane. This is the tympanic membrane.
Yes.
Now you see here, this is the tympanic membrane. Okay, this surface is towards the external part, and this is towards the internal part. Okay, so this is external surface, this is internal surface. And you see here, this is we call it pars flaccida, and this is pars tensa. This is thin part. Okay, thin part.
That's why the light can come.
Yeah, light can pass through this area. Okay, and light pass, but light most pass through. There is a triangular area. You see here. This is the lower part of the handle of the malleus. We call it ambo. Ambo. So below the ambo, you are able to see triangular area here. If you come closer, just you see there is a triangular area. You try to see it. You just at the tip of this structure. It's triangular. Okay. Light pass more through that area. We call that area, we call it cone of light. Okay. Clear?
It's not clear.
Yeah, but it's in compare, it's very thin in compared to
like
other
that.
parts.
It's
Yeah, it's like this. It's like this. Okay. And this is the handle of the malleus. This is the handle of the malleus. So handle of the malleus is attached with the tympanic membrane. This is the malleus itself. Okay, malleus. This is malleus. Okay. So now this tympanic membrane finished. Now the middle ear. So middle ear, we find out these two bones, and this is another bone. This is another bone. Okay. We find out three bones. Just you see here. This is one is attached with the tympanic membrane. This is malleus. Another is you see attached with this is the foot plate of stapes. Foot plate. That's two leg like this, 2 foot like this. You see. So this is stapes. How do you separate the bones? Three bones. One bone you will find out is attached with the tympanic membrane. This is malleus. Another is attached with the internal ear. That is stapes. And now you see the other bone. So this is incus. Malleus, incus, stapes. Malleus, incus, stapes. Clear? The middle ear like this, and middle ear also you see here. It is this is the eustachian tube or auditory canal. Eustachian tube or auditory canal. So through this canal, middle ear is communicate with the nasopharynx. With the nasopharynx. And there are two muscles. Now we come into the internal ear. So internal ear, this is the structure, internal ear. And this is the petrous bone. This is the parietal bone, okay? Sorry, temporal bone. So it is located inside the temporal bone. And it has two parts. This is the vestibular part, and this is the cochlear part. This is the vestibular, there's this structure, spiral structure. This is the cochlear part, and this is the vestibular part. And vestibular part, you see, this is the semicircular canal. Semicircular canal. So the you see the anterior one, posterior and lateral. Okay, anterior, posterior and lateral.
So we should know that this is the anterior, posterior.
No, just semicircular canal. Okay, because without anatomical position is really difficult to see. When you just put like this, then you can tell this is the outer part. So then you can tell this is the anterior one.
Yes.
And this is the posterior one. This is lateral one. When you just put it like this, then you can tell definitely. This is towards the body. Okay. So this is the anterior one. This is the posterior one and the lateral one. Okay. And you see this is the dilated part, so we call the ampulla of the semicircular canal,
Yes.
the dilated part. And then all semicircular canal, they just attached here. So this is the, can I remember these things?
Actually, have to read it.
Yeah, just you check the picture and then you just,
Yeah.
you see this dilated part, ampulla, okay?
Yes.
This part, you see this is utricle. Sorry. Yeah, you see this is utricle. This is the ampulla. So this is the ampulla. Just the bottom of the semicircular canal is
Yes.
dilated. Then all semicircular canal here, the utricle. So this part is utricle. Utricle. And this is vestibule itself. Okay. And this is the cochlea. This is cochlea. This is the nervous thing. Okay, the nerves. No need to take this picture inside. Okay. And this is the vestibulocochlear nerve. This is cochlear part. This is vestibular part. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Here the divisions. This is cochlear part. This is vestibular part. Okay. So semicircular canal. This is the bone. This is the stapes. Okay. This is the vestibule, and here the cochlea. Okay. This is the ear.